Welcome children to the IT class. Hope all is well at your end. Children, today we are going to continue with our previous topic and with some new features. So let's begin our class. Alright children, so let's continue with the digital documentation and with the topic formatting a document. In this feature, we are going to learn about indenting paragraphs, how to align text in a paragraph, adding borders to a paragraph, adding background to a paragraph. So let's understand these one by one. Children, first of all, let's understand about the indentation that is done for the paragraphs. Indenting paragraph, children, is a wonderful feature and one of the most important part of the paragraph formatting. And it is used to move the complete paragraph to the first line to a specific number of spaces between the left or right margins. A well-indented document always catches the reader's attention as it looks organized and structured. So let's understand it practically. How can we go for the indentation? Children, you can just see here are few paragraphs that I have created, and if I have to go for the indenting of the text, how can we do that? So let's understand indenting paragraphs practically. Children, if you see here this indentation, this is called as the hanging indent. This is the shortcut method of moving text ahead. But right now I am going to go to the paragraph group. You can see it is here, paragraph group, and I am going to go here and I am going to choose line spacing options. Once I click here, you will see a paragraph dialog box. Here you have certain options that are given here, and you have indentation also given. Indentation you have left, right, and it is given here what is right now indentation at. It is 0 centimeter and right is 0 centimeter. Now you can make a change. This is by default that you have, and you can make it a, say I'm increasing it. It is now maybe 1.5. This is left indentation that I have changed. So if I just go and click on OK, now you can see the change in a paragraph. See, I have done it. OK. Now, because my text cursor was here, so this paragraph has moved to 1.5, whatever the inches I selected, centimeter I selected. So it has moved. Similarly, if you want to move it directly from here, supposing I have selected this paragraph and I am going to go to this indentation, this is hanging. Now you can see it has turned to a line arrow. I am going to hold and I am going to drag it. You can see a change now. All the paragraphs have moved, a few inches ahead. So this is how you can change the indent, of the text. Now coming to actually what the indentation means. You can see this is the space that is between the text and the page margin. This is the page margin. You can see right now the blank space. This is the page margin and this is the text, and you can see indent here. So indent is the space that is created in between the text and the page margin. So I hope indentation is clear to you. Now next I'm going to just undo this. Next, what we have to understand is, and you know, these are the there are the indents, left indent, right indent. If I had changed here just for the left hand side of the paragraph, you can just change it, you can change the right indent as well. Now next is very important feature, that is the aligning text, and I hope it is clear to you and you know it already and you have been doing this. Aligning text is that refers to the positioning of the text between the margins of a page. You should set the alignment before you begin typing. You can also select an entire document and then change the alignment of the text. And text alignment, you can make it left, right, center and justify. See, supposing I have this paragraph, I am selecting this paragraph and I am going to go to the alignments. These are the alignments in Home tab. You will find out these are the alignments, left, and you see center. This is called as the aligned right, and this is justify. Now once you go to the left, this is already left aligned. That means the characters on the left hand side are aligned. Now if you have to go for the maybe center alignment, if you go and click here, the text will be center aligned. It will automatically come in the center. Now if you have to go for the right alignment, you will see right hand side the characters have been aligned but not towards the left hand side. So this is called as the right alignment. Now if you go for the justify, and justify is the most common alignment that we use for the documents, because it aligns text from the right and from the left as well. So you can go for the alignments like this, whichever the alignment you want. If you want to have a poem on the screen and you want that to be center aligned, then it is better you go to the center alignment and align that poem for the center, so that poem will come automatically in the center. So these are the alignments. Now children, next is that we can give borders to a paragraph. Whichever paragraph I have, I can create a paragraph also, or I can apply a paragraph in Word to this paragraph. The borders can be added to any of or all sides of a paragraph. So you have a drop down shadow effect that can also be created to provide a three-dimensional appearance. So how can we add a paragraph? So again, where do we have to go? We are right now in Home tab, and in Home tab you have borders option. If you go here, you can go to the paragraph also to find out the borders option, or you can go and find out where is the border. This is the border. Okay, and which border do you want? You want this border, so you can have your text this border, or you want only a line from the left hand side, you can have this. So you can choose any border from here. So this is supposing I have used outside borders, so I can use outside border as well. So you can give the background color also. You can highlight your text. You can go here, and if you want, you can give a yellow color, you can give green, you can give blue, you can give any color that you want for your text. So you can change the background. This is how you can apply border to your paragraphs as well. Now coming to the layouts. When we go to the layouts, or even you can go to the designs. In layouts also I showed you there is indentation also. You can go for the spacing in layout as well. Now this is design, and if you want to go for the page border, right now we gave border to the paragraph only, but if you want a border for the whole page, then you have to go to the page border option. So once you go to the page border option, you will find out so many borders here. So you can pick up any border for the page, say supposing this, or you can apply. Here we have art, different styles, so you can pick up any border. Say supposing this border I have picked it up, and I am going to decrease its width. If I don't want it 30, I can just decrease it maybe to, I'm going to make it 16, 15, 14, whatever I want. Then I'm going to click on OK. You can see now we have a page border around. Now you can have a page color also. You can go here and you can choose, you can pick up any color for your document. See, if I click here, I'll get this color for my whole document. So this way you can change, you can format your text the way you want. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. Hope you understood the topic very well. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.